Your customers expect fast, reliable experiences everywhere, every location, every time. But that can be difficult for distributed locations. Each site is different. Hardware varies. Connectivity is not guaranteed, and most locations do not have IT on site. Traditional infrastructure was not built for distributed operations at this scale. Scale Computing Reliant Edge Computing as a Service changes that. It provides a consistent way to deploy and manage the applications that keep your business running across thousands of locations without managing each site individually. Scale Computing Reliant is fully PCI compliant, giving your business confidence as you scale. With centralized orchestration, automated deployments, and real-time visibility, your team spends less time maintaining infrastructure and more time improving customer experiences, contributing to the bottom line. Experience consistent, secure orchestration across every location, built with compliance from day one. Some of the world's leading brands rely on Scale Computing Reliant Edge Computing as a service. See what Scale Computing Reliant can do for you. Book a demo today.